Hi everyone, welcome to Everywhere channel.
Please like, subscribe, and press the bell button. Thank you.
Hi everyone, welcome to Every channel. Today's lesson I will teach you what are the basic function techniques we can use autofill handle using autofill handle, and also then I will continue with advanced autofill handle options as well. What are the techniques we can use, right? From this first I will teach you using basic autofill handle how to use numbers, then days, months, time, and how to create custom list using autofill handle. Then advanced autofill handles section, I will teach you using how to use fill with series and how to calculate the sum using autofill handle. Okay, we'll start the lesson. First, I type here 1, right? If I go to my cell's right side corner, my my cursor will change to black color plus mark. If I drag to till 10 row, it will only fill with same pattern, same number 1, right? So, but I don't want to do like this. I want to get the numbers in order. That means the first is, if I type 1 here, on second row should be 2, right? So how I can do is, so always remember Excel, when we are doing this autofill handle, so when you are doing numbers, we should give the pattern. Excel doesn't enough to get the idea. If you type 1, so second should be 2. No, we should tell Excel this is the pattern. Okay, if I type 1, if I type 2 here, now I'm giving a pattern. No, so I'm saying Excel please check this. I'm typing 1, then increase by 2, so increase by 1, then again my row should be in 2, right? So I type here 1, so I'm typing here 2. That means I'm giving a pattern. I'm saying please increase 1 by 1. So Excel is very smart, very intelligent. Now Excel will identify the pattern. Then if you go to right side corner, if I drag till 10th row, it will automatically fill with numbers with no order. So I'm giving a pattern. Then Excel will identify the pattern. Not only like this, here I type 2, I'm typing here 4. Now there's a pattern, no? So I'm saying Excel, yes, just increase by 2. If I go and drag there, it will be increased by 2, right? Not only for these numbers, not only for the numbers, if you want to give the decimal also, right? Same thing will happen. So here I type 0.2, 0.5. I am typing here 0.75. So now I'm giving a pattern. I'm saying please increase by 0.25. Then if I drag there using autofill handle, it will be automatically filled with increment with 0.25. Always remember, you should give the pattern. Then only Excel is very smart to identify the pattern. Then it will be filled with how many cell, how many rows, columns, doesn't matter, right? It will, or else it will fill by down or right side. Okay, right. So if I want to fill by right side also, it's possible. If I type here 1, if I type here 2, now I'm selecting this 2, and now I'm giving a pattern. No. So if I drag till whatever, then it will be filled with, it will increase by 1, right? Okay. Now, not only that, if I want, I can decrease also. I'm typing here 10. I am telling next should be 7. Now there's a pattern. What I am saying? I'm saying just decrease by 3. Now, if I go to right side corner, if I click till whatever, wherever I want, so it will be that Excel will be identify the pattern and it will decrease by 3. Right. Now I'm moving to alphabet. I type here A. If I go to right side corner, if I drag there, it will only fill with same letter, right? Now I am typing here B. So it's normally what should happen. Now there is a pattern, but it should be alphabet, no? Though it should be, here should come C, D, something like that. right? We'll see what will happen. I go and just drag to till down. No. Excel cannot identify the alphabet. Excel can identify only the pattern. So if I type AB, so it's thinking there's a pattern AB. So it will fill with AB, AB, AB again. If I type a C, then there's a different pattern, no? So if I select all three and if I drag, then it will fill with that pattern only, not alphabetic order. Right. Now I'm moving to next. For my next section should be I successfully covered numbers. Now I'm moving to numbers. Now I'm now moving to days. Right? So days. What will happen in days? Okay. So I type here Monday, right? Excel is very, very intelligent. If I type Monday, if I drag till wherever I want, Excel knows it should be increased by days. Right? Today is Monday, then it should be next day should be Tuesday. Wherever if I drag, it will fill with same order. Right? Same, not only for this. Here I type full word. No, I type here Monday, full day. Right? If I give the abbreviation, just give month. Still, Excel is very smart. If I wherever I want to drag, it will fill with same order. Abbreviation also will work. Like now I'm moving to month, same like that. No need to give the pattern. If I go and drag, it will fill with same order month. Same abbreviation also. If you want, I can drag or else I can double click. It will fill with abbreviation in the very smooth way, in order. Okay. Now I am moving to years, right? Here I type 2024, right? If I drag there, what will happen? Excel is not smart enough to know this is 2024 is not number, it's a year. Excel doesn't know that. Excel thinking, okay, this is 2024, right? So it will fill with only same order. Then if I want to increase by 1 year, then what I should do is I should give a pattern. Even not only 1 year. If I type here 2026, now what will happen? Now Excel identify, yes, it should be increased by 2 years. If I drag, then it will increase by 2 years. Okay. Now I am moving to days. Okay. I successfully covered now numbers, days, months. Now I'm going to use another example, right? Here I type here, this is 3rd April 2024. I put in the short date. If you want, I can go to home tab. From date, if I type here, if I press long date, it will come with long date. Right? Now I am saying here Wednesday, 3rd April 2024. Excel is very intelligent. If I drag there, Excel knows it should be increased by 1 day. Okay? Same like that. Here, if I go to home tab, if I press here long date, right? Okay? Now I'm saying Monday, 4th March, right? This is 4th March. Here I'm giving 3rd April. Now I change here. Still, Excel is smart. If I drag to end, it will fill with same order. Right? Here, what I did is, here I put 3rd April 2024. Here I changed the order. Here I'm saying 3rd April. I'm saying month is 3rd. Sorry, day is 3rd. Month is 4th. Right? Then if I fill there, it will perfectly work. Here, what I'm saying is, I'm changing the month order. I'm saying here, 4th, day is 4th, month is 3rd. Still, it's working perfectly. Finally, I'm saying here, 4th April 2024. But I want to change only I want to increase the year. Right? If I go and drag, what will happen? It will only increase by day. Right? So if I want to increase the year, what I should do is, I should give the pattern. If I type here 2025 and if I enter there, if I select both and if I double click, it will increase by year. If I go home and press here full long date, you can get the proper idea. Okay, now it's increased by year. So always years, it can't identify. We should give the pattern. Right. I am moving to next example. So next one is time, right? How this autofill work in times, right? Here I type 3 a.m. Okay. What will happen if I type 3 a.m. like this, right? If I drag there, it won't work. It will fill only same. So always when you are giving time, you should type properly. You should give double colon and 00 a.m. Now Excel know this is time. If I drag wherever I want, it's very smart, should be increased by 1 hour. Okay. But I don't want to increase by 1 hour. I just want to increase by half an hour. So what I should do? I should give a pattern. That's it. I'm telling here 3:30 a.m. Now I'm giving a pattern. So Excel is very intelligent, very smart. It's identify the pattern. Okay. So it got the idea, should be increased by half an hour. If I drag till wherever I want, it will be increased by half an hour. Okay. Final basic thing is creating custom list. Okay. Okay. How to create custom list using autofill option. Okay. See, I have a list here, right? John Andy, I have some my company's employees name, right? If I type John here, then I go to my cells corner, right side corner. If I drag there, it's automatically filled with this same name. How is possible? Even not only here, right? If I want to differentiate, if I type here John, right? If I drag till wherever I want, it will fill with that same name. So how is happen? Right? Because we are not giving any patterns here, no? Right. Excel also doesn't identify the names because these are different names. How it's happen? Actually, how it's happen is this list is automatically, this list is already created. I created a list. Okay. So now I will show you how to create a list. Okay. Right. For example, I want to create a list like this. Red. I'm giving some colors, right? Red, yellow, blue, right? Green, uh, white. Okay. So I'm giving some colors. So my purpose is whenever I type red, if I drag there, I should get this all the list. So how I can create a list? Okay. I'll go to file. Then I press options. From this option bar, you can find advanced tab. If you go down, there's a place called edit custom list. If you click here, then if you click here again, then you should select your list, right? Then if you click again here, then import. Now your list will be import there. Now if you press OK, now you already create a list. If you press OK, now you create a list. Wherever, if you type red now, then you just using this autofill option and wherever you want to drag, then it will be filled with that list. Not only here, if you want to use in a different workbooks, worksheet, wherever, no problem. It will fill with that pattern. After finishing, again it will starting the red and it will be filling accordingly. Right? So how is happen actually? We already create a custom list. Not only this, I create some list already. If I type here carrot, right? And if I drag wherever I want, it will fill with that. So if you go file, options, advanced, go down and click custom list. See, this all the lists are already inbuilt. That's why if I type my month, it automatically fill. Here is the place. If I type January, it is all the lists are already inbuilt by Excel, right? So if I type abbreviation Sunday, Sun also it will, Excel knows, yes, should be day. Then it will be filled with days in accordingly, right? Because this list is already inbuilt in Excel. So same like that, we can also create lists. So I create a list. I create few lists, right? I create red, yellow, green, white list is there. So it's carrot. That's why if I type carrot, that list will come, right? So I create another, I already have another list called, if I type Samsung, right? If I go and drag, it will create fill with that list because this list also already created. So using autofill option, we can create some custom list as well. Okay. Now I've covered all the basic autofill handle functions. What are the techniques we can use? Autofill function basic level. Now I am moving to advanced level, right? So first thing is using fill with series. So what about this, right? Okay. So for example, I type here one. I want to fill till 15,000. Okay. So how I can do is normally if I type two, then there's a pattern. So Excel identify the pattern. You should drag till 15,000. Is it possible? It can't, no? So we should go for a perfect technique. Okay. So how I'll do is I just type one and select, press home tab and go to here fill. If I press fill, go to series, then I need row wise, not row wise. I need column wise. So I select column, then I'm saying I need till 10,000. If I press OK, it's automatically filled with 10,000 numbers. Okay. If you want to check, you can just go to down, control down arrow. It will go to down. If you want to go to up, control up arrow. Right? And one more example. Here I type 5. So I want to increase by 5 by 5 in a row wise. So how I can do it? Press home tab, press fill, press series. And now this time not column, it should be rows. I am saying my step value is 5. It means it should be increased by 5. It will stop with 10,000. If I press OK, it will automatically fill till 5,000. So if you want to check, control right arrow. So if you want to come again, control left arrow. Right. One more example. Here, I just want to fill for my channel name is Every View Educational Channel, right? For this name, I want to fill with 10,000 rows. How I can do it, right? If I drag, it's impossible, right? So there should be a technique. I type here one, right? Then I select that cell, go to home tab, fill, again series, just select column, and I'm saying stop value is 10,000. If I press OK, now it will fill with numbers. Now what I can do is, I just select my text. If I double click there, it will automatically fill with. If you want, you can check, right? Control down arrow. Then it will go to last record. If you want to go first record, control up arrow. So it will, this is the advanced techniques for using autofill handle. So my final task is, I'm saying here, using to calculate the sum. So how I can calculate the sum using autofill handle. Okay. To do that, to do this, I created 4 tables. Product A table with months, February, March, April, May. Again, product B table, product C table, product D table. So what I want to find is, I want to find the consolidated total. That means is A, January, same B, January, same C, same like that. I need the total. So how I can find is, I'm using a formula equal. I'm go to product A. I select first record and shift plus, moving to second, and I press second record, again plus. I'm moving to product C table. Again, I'm selecting first record, plus finally I'm moving to product D table. Then I select first record. I enter there. So I got first total successfully. If I want to apply for the others, what I can do is, I can just double click, or else I can just drag till wherever I want. If I drag till down, if I want to move to right side also, you can fill with right side also, just drag till wherever I want for right side. This is the way autofill handle we can use, right? For this, I will do in a very shortcut way, right? So how I can do it? I just get the one record. So what I will do is, I will press in keyboard shift down arrow and I will select entire column. Then I will press Control D. That means control down. If I press control down, that that total will be filled with all the cells by down arrow, right? Then I will select shift right arrow and I will select my entire table. Then again I press, now not control D, should be control R. That means control right side. If I press control right, it will fill with my total, right? Finally, if I want to get the every column's total, there's a shortcut. Just press Alt and equal. If you enter there, you can get the first total. If you want, just drag it to others, then you will get the total for other columns also. It's a very useful and very powerful feature in autofill option, right? So I hope you understand this lesson very well. Today I teach you basic autofill handles, how to use numbers, days, months, time, and creating custom list. And also I teach you some advanced autofill handle techniques using fill with series and using to calculate the sum. I hope you understood this lesson very well. If you have any doubts, please comment me on my YouTube channel. And also, I'm uploading this practice file to do the practice. Just download it and do the practice as well. So thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day. Bye.
Thanks for watching my video. See you on next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.